Happy New Year, everybody. Happy New Year. It's Kim here, and I just wanted to take a moment from sunny but very cold Arizona to wish you a happy new year. It is a brand new year full of brand new possibilities, and I just love the opportunity to hit a big major reset, don't you? And I just feel like January 1st, it's the first day of the rest of your life. It's the first day of the rest of our lives. And the fun part is we get to be the chief creation officers in our own life. So my question for you is, what will you create here in 2022? Now, guess what? I'm so excited. Over the next 10 days, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 tips to help you create a life that you're so excited to wake up for, to create a life where you're moving from fear to freedom and creating a life that you love. And so today's tip number 1 is clarify your vision. Clarify your vision. Why? We all know that when there is no vision, man will perish. And Yogi Berra says, hey, he does say, hey, he says, hey, if you don't know where you're going, chances are you're going to end up somewhere else. So it is absolutely imperative to clarify your vision of success, which is yours. It doesn't have to look like anybody else's. Now let's talk about what a vision is. Now a vision is a picture of what is yet to come. It hasn't happened. It's not experienced. I like to say this: if you close your eyes and you think about what it is that you want to experience or create or be or do or have, that begins to create this mental picture. We're going to dive deeper into how to actualize that in the future tips. But for today, what I want you to do is I'm going to invite you into an exercise that I've done for myself for the better part of about 15 years, and I invite my clients into as well. And that is to go ahead and close your eyes with me and thoughtfully ask yourself these questions. Who do I want to be? How do I want to show up in 2022? How do I want to look and dress? How do I want to feel? Who do I want to surround myself with? What do I want to do and experience personally and professionally? What will I say yes to? What will I say no more to? What relationships will I tend to and cultivate? How will I show up with more clarity and confidence and joy and purpose and meaning in my life? Go ahead and open your eyes. Again, these are just some of the questions that will get you started in building and clarifying your vision of success. Now, what else I want to share with you is this. Here's a bonus tip and a free gift that I want to offer you today. Is what I do before I even do this is I go through a series of reflection questions that I've created for myself and, again, clients. And what this allows you to do is look at this last year very thoughtfully and ask yourself, what were my wins? What were my successes and my victories? What were my setbacks? Where did I miss the mark and why? And 20 other questions, or 20 questions in total, to help you gain some self-awareness, some self-reflection, some perspective, to help you really get clear on this year's vision of success. If you want that free gift, then please go ahead and email me at kim@uniquelysavvy.com, and I will get that sent out to you right away today, and you can get going. My name is Kim Peterson. I am the brand, style, and confidence coach for the whole you, mind, body, soul, and of course style, championing your confident breakthroughs on the inside and out. I'll see you tomorrow for tip number 2. Make it a great day and Happy New Year.